Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is image formation by a convex mirror. Dear students, we already know that convex mirror is that spherical mirror in which the inner surface is polished and outer surface is reflecting surface. The image formed by a convex mirror is always behind the mirror. The image formed is virtual, erect and smaller in size than the object. Dear students, there are only two cases of image formation by a convex mirror. Number one is when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity from a convex mirror, the image is formed behind the mirror at focus F. Dear students, we will discuss it with the help of this figure. In this figure, suppose this is a convex mirror. This straight line is its principal axis. Behind the mirror is its principal focus F and center of curvature C. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन इसका प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है. मिरर के पीछे इसका प्रिंसिपल फोकस और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है. An object is placed at infinity. This object cannot be shown in the figure because the object is very far off from the mirror. ऑब्जेक्ट को इन्फिनिटी पर रखा गया है. ऑब्जेक्ट को इस डायग्राम में नहीं दिखाया जा सकता है क्योंकि ये मिरर से बहुत दूरी पर रखा गया है. टू लाइट रेज AD and AP coming from the top point of the object are parallel to one another. These two light rays AD and AP coming from top point A are parallel to one another. The ray AD strikes the mirror at D and reflected at D along DE. This ray of light, that is AP, strikes the mirror at P and reflected at P along PG. These two reflected rays, when produced backwards, जब इन दोनों रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज को बैकवर्ड पोर्शन में डॉटेड लाइन से बढ़ाया जाता है तो ये A' पर मिलती है. ये दोनों रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज A' पर मिलती है. So A' is the virtual image of the point A of the object. Dear students, we draw A' B' perpendicular to the principal axis of the mirror. Therefore, A' B' is the virtual and erect image of the object which is placed at infinity. The image is formed at principal focus behind the convex mirror. The image formed is much smaller than the object. So A' B' is the image of the object which is placed at the infinity. It is formed at principal focus behind the mirror. This image is much smaller than the object. Second case, when the object is placed anywhere between pole and infinity of the mirror, the image is formed between pole and focus behind the mirror. Dear students, in this figure, this is a convex mirror. This straight line is its principal axis. Behind the mirror is its principal focus and center of curvature. Object AB is placed in front of convex mirror anywhere between pole and infinity. This object AB is placed in front of the convex mirror anywhere between pole and infinity. A ray of light AD parallel to principal axis of the convex mirror is reflected at D along DE. This AD light ray strikes the mirror at D and reflected at D along DE. This reflected ray DE when produced backwards, जब इस रिफ्लेक्टेड रे को बैकवर्ड पोजीशन में डॉटेड लाइन से बढ़ाया जाए तो ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पर एफ पर मिलती है. Another ray of light starting from A. Another ray of light starting from A and incident on the mirror along AG, tending to pass through center of curvature. It tending to pass through center of curvature. After reflection at G, it retraces its path. This reflected ray, this light ray, after reflection does not change its path. ये अपने ही path से वापस जाएगी. ये जो after reflection it does not change its path. ये अपने ही रास्ते से वापस जाएगी. These two reflected rays, when produced backwards by dotted lines, they intersect at A dash. जब इन दोनों रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज को बैकवर्ड पोजीशन में डॉटेड लाइन से बढ़ाया जाता है तो ये A डैश पर मिलती हैं. So A dash is the virtual image of the point A. We draw A dash B dash perpendicular to the principal axis of the mirror. We draw A dash B dash perpendicular to the principal axis of the mirror. So A dash B dash is the virtual and erect image of the object which is placed anywhere between the pole and infinity. Dear students, the image is formed behind the mirror between the pole and principal focus of the mirror. The image formed is smaller than the object. So when the object is placed anywhere between the pole and the infinity, the image is formed at the focus behind the mirror. The image formed is virtual and erect, but it is smaller than the object. Dear students, these are the two cases of image formation by a convex mirror. Thank you.